Urakam sangma Myntri katanat pule puthi ke jala hakasngi baar ula Pyntip hapo ke ying dorbar baya ke jingte ke Science and Commerce College Mawphlang en sa Pyndep no ha ubna Jylliew menta usnam arja ar pausau Urakam haba jubab ya ke jingkali balawan ra da uba Matthew Bikurba MLA ke Mawphlang ula ong ba ke jingshim kelas kan sedang hadin bala Pyndep ya ke jingte bat ke jingthung ya kinong hikai bat kinong tre ya kani ke projek ke balamang pisa lai pohonriu point san kulur lapenlut kemba khatsau point praspa khatsan kulur uba Matthew Bikurba ula kentu ya ke sorkar bahkan penkloy ya ke jing pelat ya ke pisa ban la Pyndep no marmar ya ke projek.
Reply to question number 32. So A, so the status of the work for construction is 72%. B, sir, 30 June 2017. C, sir, 36.55 crores. D, sir, rupees 14 crore 815 crore. 14.815 crores. Sir. E, sir, June 2021, and the total amount paid is 14 crore 815 crores. F, sir, June 2024. G, sir, the class will commence after the completion of the buildings and recruitment of the faculty and the staff. S, sir, no, sir.
Honourable member, please. Parliamentary questions.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Minister in charge of education for this elaborate reply on my question. So I would like to know from the Minister in charge why there's so much delay on this. Is it because of revised cost estimate and the department could not reply to the question raised by the Central Ministry? Number two, sir. Is it possible to complete this project in June 2024? As of now, there is no sign of works in the place, the site of Mawphlang College. And also, you will need to provide power supply and water supply as well. To get power supply from ECL will take a lot of time, not less than 6 months. So it will not be possible for the government to complete this work by June 2024. So I would request the Honourable Minister through you, sir, to speed up this work and to get the necessary allocation of funds from the Central Ministry so that the concerned contractors can continue with the works and this college also can start functioning, maybe if not latest by next year academic session. With this few words, sir, I would like to request the Minister to clarify on my questions.
Speaker, sir, it added, he has put 2-3 questions at one time. So I have to do the same, sir. Sir, the delays was for various issues and various reasons. So the earlier target was supposed to be 2020. However, sir, delay happened due to delay in handing over of the land. That was one of the issues that happened. And also, and the delay was also happened due to the delay in releasing the second installment by the ministry. And also, sir, the issue of the delay was because of COVID-19 issue. And so, as he added 2-3 questions together, I'm to do the same. So I think I'm sure, because only yesterday we have the second installment we have released to the implementing agency. So we're expecting to complete certain buildings, certain works as we set the deadlines.
Sir, regarding the handing over of land, I talked with the Lingdo of Mawphlang till date, there has not been any official handing over of land to the department. There has not been no communication between the department and the Hima Mawphlang. And also one more, sir, with the road, approach road to the college, it is a very bad condition. I would also request the department concerned to take up the matter with the PWD so that the approach road, Mawphlang and from Mawphor be repaired so that the student going to college also will not face any hardship.
Speaker, sir. So the finalization or demarcation of land was the issue at that time, but however this has been sorted out, and so whatever the points has been raised by honorable members, so will be pointed out, and we will do the government will do the needful.
Thank you, sir, for your replies.
Sir.
Yes.
Thank you, Speaker,
Mr. Jim
sir.
Sam.
Since the subject is related to colleges, may I also inquire from Education Minister in charge, when will be the academic session of Rongjeng Model Degree College and Patarkrama Degree College will start?
Speaker, sir. So this is a different chapter of though it's from the same book, sir. But however, sir, in a very nutshell, so this question was supposed to come up yesterday, but it was replied but did not come up for taken up. However, sir, my reply will be just copy paste of the yesterday. So since the Rongjeng, since it's with me, sir. So the status of the Rongjeng and the Patarkrama colleges is almost completed, and the status of the Rongjeng college, degree college, is about 95%, sir. So when the building is completed, sir, the post is already sanctioned and created for both Rongjeng and the Patarkrama. And as soon as the building is completed, we will the process of recruitment is already on, sir, and once it is done, we will commence the classes.
Thank you, sir.
One clarification. As per the statement given by the honorable member from Mawphlang, he mentioned that the land has not yet been officially handed over. Is it that true? And if it is true, then how the construction has already started?
Speaker, sir. So that exact original copy of all things is not with me right now, sir. But however, the demarcation of lands, all things has been completed. But sir, that exact reply on the handing over and the taking over of the land is not with me, sir. So, sir, I require notice for that.
Yes. One more question.
It will be a surprise to learn that the progress of the work has already reached 72% without having completed the handing over of land to the government. So in case the landowner changed the mind, what will be the fate of this institution?
Sir, that reply is not with me right now. But sir, without the consent of the landowner, nothing not able to stand, sir.
Sir, I think this is a very serious matter. We cannot base things on presumption. So it has to be black and white, especially when it comes to handing over of land to the government. This is very important. Otherwise, the building may be completed, but the owner of the land may not allow the government to start. So it will be a wastage of investment. So May I request the government to take up this matter very seriously?
Sir, without the consent of the landowner, nothing can be started. But so with the consent of the landowner, the project has been taken off, sir.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center